Welcome to ASP.NET and SQL Academy, your go-to place to learn web development the right way. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, like and share to support this growing learning community. You are watching part 19 of our complete HTML Mastery series, HTML5 APIs Overview. Whether you are a beginner or brushing up your skills, you are in the right place. In this video, we will explain what HTML5 APIs are, introduce commonly used APIs, and show how they enhance modern web applications. This video is perfect for beginners, students, job seekers, or anyone interested in learning about advanced HTML features. So, let us dive into the code and start learning by doing. Practical hands-on experience is the best way to master HTML. HTML5 APIs are special browser features that allow web pages to do more than just display content. Today, we will explore three important APIs: drag and drop, geolocation, and web storage. The drag and drop API allows users to drag elements on a page and drop them elsewhere. It uses events like drag start, drag over, and drop. This is commonly used for interactive list or file uploads. Here is a simple example. A div you can drag and a drop zone where you can release it. We will cover how to handle these events in JavaScript in another video. The geolocation API allows websites to request your location with permission. This can power location based features like maps, weather updates, or nearby store finders. This JavaScript snippet gets the current location coordinates and log them. You can use this data to customize your experience based on their location. Web storage lets you save data directly in the user's browser. Local storage keeps data even after the browser closes, while session storage clears when the tab is closed. In this example, we save a username in local storage and retrieve it later. This is useful for remembering user preferences or login status. Today, we explored three powerful HTML5 APIs: drag and drop for interactive interfaces, geolocation for location based features, and web storage for saving data on the client side. Next, we will learn CSS Fluxbox to create flexible, responsive, layouts that adapt to different screen sizes. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to get notified of new tutorials.